Okay, today we are talking about how to fix a flickering light. So do you have a light fixture doing this? First thing to try is change the bulb with the power off. Second, look and listen and feel the light switch. Do you hear any noise? Does it feel loose? It may need to be replaced. With the power off, remove the cover plate and use a non-contact voltage tester to make sure the power is indeed off. Check for burnt or loose wires. So here's what a non-contact voltage tester looks like. Run it around and tied inside the entire box. It should not beep, it should not turn red. So a new switch costs 89 cents at Lowe's or Home Depot. With the power off and the cover plate removed, we'll remove the two mounting screws that hold it to the box. Take note of the wire connections or take a picture. So it's pretty self-explanatory from here. You simply loosen the screws holding the wires to the switch. Remove the old switch and then install the new switch, making sure you attach the wires to the proper screw terminals and tighten securely. And when you're done, I recommend wrapping the entire switch around all the screw terminals with electrical tape for safety. And it's a good idea to look inside this J box to make sure there's no loose wire connections in there, no burnt wires, etc. Make sure the loop in your wires are bent in the direction you turn the screws. Righty-tighty. And if replacing the switch does not fix the flickering problem, you may need to replace the light fixture or the light socket in the light fixture. If we look at this socket, the light silver color screw is for your white neutral wire, and the darker brass colored screw is where you attach your black hot wire. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then you may have an issue with the wire that runs from the switch up and over and down to your light fixture. And last but not least, is your light bulb dimmable? Some are not. Is your bulb the correct voltage? Is your light switch a dimmer switch or just a simple on and off switch? Is the dimmer switch and the light bulb you are using compatible? If they are not, that could be part of your problem. And do you have a three-way light switch? Remember, a three-way light switch, there's two separate light switches on that circuit. So you can walk in one side of the room, turn the light on, walk out the other side of the room and turn the light off. So in that circumstance, you want to check both switches if you're having a flickering issue. And make sure they're wired correctly. And in the case of a fluorescent light fixture that takes a ballast, you may have a ballast that is going bad and needs to be replaced. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.